Gold is at an all-time high. Rolex should be raising retails on gold watches. But most of the stuff they raise retails on are on watches that already trade under retail. For example, right now, MSRP on a rose gold root beer is $46,500. Market price, about $42,000 to $43,000. I don't see people paying $50,000 plus. Raising retail to $50,700 plus tax, you're walking out of the store paying $55,000 to $56,000. Same for a white gold Submariner, a yellow gold Submariner, all gold GMT. Some of these to me are completely justified. But when you have a watch like a 36mm white gold Day-Date, currently retails at $43,500, and you can't give it away in the market for $35,000, how are you justifying a $47,000 MSRP? Yellow gold Deep Sea going from $59,700 to $64,800. That's an 8.5% increase. All the gold Daytonas are up about 8.5% to 9%. With Rolex raising retails on watches that already trade under retail, are we going back to a market where an authorized dealer is going to be selling watches directly to the consumer at a discount? Because I don't see how an AD is going to be able to convince someone to take a 36mm white gold Day-Date at $50,000 or a white gold Submariner at $51,000.